Hello, 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 everybody. Thank you for joining me. I'm Gertrude Chapman, inspirational book coach and the creator of the Aspiring Authors Lab, where I teach aspiring authors who are struggling with self-esteem, self-confidence, and self-worth issues how to cut through the clutter, stop procrastinating, leverage their knowledge, and create income. And today, I'm going to talk about your destiny, how your destiny is attached to your decision. So don't forget to hit the share button and share this broadcast out. So we have talked about being responsible for our own success instead of, blaming someone for not having, success in our lives, or excusing yourself out of something because of fear. So fearing the unknown, a lot of people have fear. I'm telling you, fear is real. Okay. Fear is real, but it can be overcome. What fear does when you fear the unknown, it stifles your possibility of you seeing yourself as the great author that you are, with unlimited potential, unlimited possibilities. This is the way I face fear. I face fear by using fear as a stepping stone or a launching pad to propel me into my future. I had to face fear. Okay? I couldn't let fear no longer hold me back. Thank you for joining me today. You are one decision away from your streams of income for one book. We're not talking about a whole bunch of books, but one book. Don't allow that to hold you back. But a lot of times what people are doing, they haven't even started writing their book yet. They keep putting it off one day. One day I'll write my book. And that day has turned into 5 years, 10 years, and sometimes even 20 years. I have clients who, have books that they've been intending to write for 20 years or more. And, I tell them, well, you have to be intentional. Write your book. Be intentional this year and begin writing that book, because it's so very important. Because many of you don't even realize, all the gems that you have within you, the brilliance that's already there. You fail to take the time to discover yourself, to see what you have on the inside of you. Instead, you're complaining about what you can and you can't do. You're choosing to live a life of limitations. Now, I'm going to tell you, you can break the fear off of your life at any time by getting to know what it takes to be, a successful author. What does it really take? What does it take? You don't have to sit there in the mess that you're in, And I always tell people this. This is another thing. Your book is, writing a book is not just writing a bunch of words and putting it between two covers and calling it a book. Or maybe you sold a few copies and you have your book sitting in a garage, or, in the trunk of your car, or they're on Barnes and Noble, or, Amazon's platform, and they're doing nothing. They're doing nothing. Absolutely nothing. In order to be a success, you have to be active in seeing your book through. Okay? You have to be active. Your book is a living creation after you write it. You have to understand this. Okay? Because people read it and it transforms lives. It's not just something sitting there. It transforms lives. So what does that say? What does that say about everything? You have to stop cheating, yourself out of living the life that you once dreamed of. Thank you for joining me today. Dream again, but this time, put action toward it and be intentional about writing your book. There's a brand new masterclass starting March the 16th. It's called Complete Book Writing Guide from Idea to Finish, Finished book or published book. That's what it is. From the idea to the published book. And it teaches you the how-tos Everything you need to know about writing a book, because I want to see you successful. I don't want your book just sitting there collecting dust, because you're better than that. You're more than that. You're brilliant, okay? And inside of you, you have the gems that will transform somebody's life. Just think of everything that you've gone through. All of the drama, all of the pain, all of the hurt, all of the knowledge that you have on the inside of you. You can't allow that to just sit on the inside of you and die, okay? Or take it to the grave. You can't allow that to happen. So, like I said, this masterclass is coming up March the 16th, and space is filling up quickly, okay? So reserve your seat now. Now, the first 2 lessons, they drop on March the 15th. And it's in pre-sale now. And to get more information about that, go to www.turningpointenrichment.com. www.turningpointenrichment.com. Now, this masterclass, it consists of 20 lessons. That's 2 lessons per class for the 10 weeks, okay? With teaching and the assignments for you to complete. Now, like I said, these classes are bi-weekly. The total investment is $499.50 or $49.95 bi-weekly. And I always tell people, invest at the level that you expect the results. I still invest. I'm a book coach, but I still invest. Okay, I have a coach, because this is something that, each and every one of us need. Look at the sports stars. They have a coach, even though they play in the game. But you always need someone to push you to the next level, to see the greatness inside of you when you want to give up or you don't want to even do it. Okay, there's sometimes I don't feel like doing, coming on live stream or working in my business, but I do, because I have this responsibility, and everyone needs an accountability partner. Okay, so where are you right now? Where are you right now in your life? You are responsible for your own success. So you can't blame anybody else for your destiny, okay? And what you'll learn in this masterclass, you'll learn how to narrow down the topics and niche of your book. You'll learn how to write and market a book with confidence that it will sell. Okay? You have to have, that's a mindset. You have to have confidence that your book will sell, or it'll be dead in the water before you finish writing it, okay? And I teach you all of that. I teach you how to be a master communicator through the word, through the written word, okay? The words that you write. They're very powerful, okay? And how to overcome writer's block. And that's a major thing that a lot of my clients have gone through. And I like to teach you some top writing tips and strategies and techniques that you can interject into your own book writing journey. So don't forget, hit the share button, and always remember, plant good seeds when you hear of something that could change someone's life. Okay? Always plant good seeds, because it will come back to you. Now, I hope that what I have shared with you has inspired you to really take a deep look at yourself and see how awesome you really are. Because you know what? You are awesome. You are unique. You are special. You are powerful. You are an overcomer. So with that being said, I thank you for joining me today. And I look forward to seeing you in the class, and also joining me again on another broadcast of the Aspiring Authors Lab. I'm Gertrude J. Chapman, Inspirational Book Coach. And remember, this is your time. This is your season. This is your turning point. So have a great rest of the day.